Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see an awesome topic, guys. Okay, for 100 days you can earn up to 8% of ABISSN, guys. Okay, this platform is based on this ABISSN coin. So ABISSN coin right now is trading for $90. Hope you all know that $90. And if you have just 0.1 ABISSN, you can earn up to 8% daily for 100 days, guys. Okay, that much high potential platform. This one, the wheel of returns, guys. Okay, so welcome to the wheel of returns. This is official website of the wheel of returns. So welcome to the wheel of returns. It's simple investment game that gives you opportunity to wager or money in order to receive great daily returns on our ABISSN, guys. Okay, just with 0.1 ABISSN you can earn up to 8% daily for 100 days, guys. This platform is giving that much one. So here the audit and the white paper is given here, guys. Those who want to invest here, just do your own research, guys. Okay, this is a spinning one. Okay, so here a lot of details are given. Okay, 5 to 10 days, 6-7%, 5-6-7, lot of percentage is given. So if you have a box, you can spin it and you can daily you can make rewards, guys. Okay, so how it works, this is how it works. The initial investment we made in this ABISSN coin, that's made our profit for 5 to 100 days, guys. That's a difference here. So the returns or minimum will be 5% a day for 5 days. At the maximum it is 8% for 100 days, guys. Okay, in that scenario, if you are investing 100 ABISSN, by the end of the 100 days you would have paid 800 ABISSN, guys. That's the difference. Okay, so 8%. Okay, that's a difference here. So if you want to withdraw our ABISSN, we can withdraw here. Right now I don't have ABISSN here. Okay, total invested, what I am invested here, this will be shown here. Okay, ABISSN, how much dollar right now, if I am having 0.1, $9 will be shown here. Okay, so total withdrawn I have made, I am 0. Okay, so it is showing there. So totally referral also, how much referral I am doing, that will be also shown here. Okay, total referral efforts, ABISSN dollar also will shown here. Okay, guys, so 5% level 1. Okay, level 1 5% we will be getting. Like if I am doing direct referral, I will be getting 5%. Okay, and level 2 will be 3%. Okay, my direct referral will be referring someone, means I will be getting 3%, and direct level 3 I am getting 1.5%, and level 4 I am getting 0.5%, and level 5 also 0.5%, guys. Okay, so different aspects of the project. Okay, this is a roadmap and different aspects of the project. Okay, from how to play, like little more of any return, pool governance and management, risks invested, and smart contract added. This is aspects of the project, guys. Okay, so how to play, make your wager. Okay, make your wager. Minimum we need to have 0.1 ABISSN. 0.1 ABISSN is right now right now likely to $9, guys. Okay, $0.90 is 1 ABISSN, so $9 will be 0.1 ABISSN. If we have 0.1 ABISSN, we can make spin, guys. Okay, so this is a spinning option here. Okay, withdraw, we can daily we can make our withdraw, guys. So daily 5% or 8% if we are getting, we can directly withdraw to our any other exchange or wallet, guys. Okay, so return percentage and time, like little charts. Okay, this is the average length of daily returns. This project launched just 1 day before, guys. Okay, so daily return distribution, everything is gonna here. The smart contract balance 170 ABISSN, guys. Okay, so 170 ABISSN is worth $15,327. Total spin count 378. Okay, in this project totally the people invested 208 ABISSN till now. Okay, 208 ABISSN is worth $18,784. Okay, so total withdraw, not at withdraw. Okay, so total referral reward is 17.5 ABISSN, guys. Okay, that 17.5 ABISSN is worth of $1,578. Total referral reward right now got. Okay, so this project is just launched yesterday, so that's what this project is in the beginning, guys. Okay, so risk, what are the risks involved in this project, it will be shown here, guys. Okay, so everyone do your own research. That was read all the related documents and do your own research, guys. Okay, that's what I'm suggesting for all the people. Okay, this is all the things. So if we have minimum 0.1 ABISSN, we can transfer to here, we can deposit here, and we can make it count, guys. Okay, this is a contract, referral, deposit. Okay, so if I want to invest, I can click on the invest option. Okay, it will come here. Then I can click on the deposit option. Okay, so I can click on the deposit option. Okay, so this page will open here. Okay, directly it will come here, so I can deposit. And here Twitter page also available for them. Okay, the wheel of returns Twitter page is available. Okay, this is just now 24 followers is there, wheel of returns. Okay, and connect, if you want to connect our wallet, we can connect it, guys. Okay, so I will copy the link and I will open the trust wallet. I will copy the link, I will open the trust wallet and it paste into the apps. Okay, I'll connect my wallet. Okay, I'm just connecting with Smart Chain BNB. Okay, I'm connecting. Okay, I'm connecting my wallet. Connect. Okay, so I need to connect my ABISSN mainnet. Okay, so I can't able to connect this one, guys. Okay, so ABISSN mainnet is possible to connect, so I can't able to connect here. Only I can able to connect in this MetaMask, guys. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so here all the details available. Okay, if you want, we can connect into a MetaMask wallet with the ABISSN network. Okay, with the ABISSN network, then we can click on deposit option and we can deposit from any other exchange. 0.1 ABISSN to 100 ABISSN we can deposit here. And we can make spin, guys. Okay, spin, this is a spin. If we click on the spin, it will load. Okay, please connect your wallet, it's showing. If I am clicking on spin, okay, if I am connecting, then if I have 0.1 ABISSN minimum, I can make a spin, and daily I can make 5% to 8% return. Okay, for 100 days, guys. Okay, that's the difference for this project. This project, what are the high risk involved in this project, everything is shown here. Okay, risk involved. So guys, if you want to invest, just do your own research and then get into this project, guys. Okay, this project is also good, I feel like, because just launched yesterday, so I feel like this one is the worthy one, guys. Okay, so guys, do your own research and think about it, and if you feel like worthy, then you can make money in this project, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in another great one.